A bankruptcy will appear on your credit report from anywhere from 7 to 10 years after your case has been discharged. However, even though a bankruptcy appears on your credit report, it does not mean that you will not be able to obtain credit. There are many ways to build credit even after you file bankruptcy. Most people think you will not be able to obtain a financing for a car or house after bankruptcy. This is simply not true. Usually within 2 years, you will be able to secure a mortgage to purchase a home. You can obtain financing for a car even sooner. I am Russell Samnetta, Central New York's premier bankruptcy lawyer.